I hit this issue today and here as the quick fix that solved it. If you're seeing a transfer pending on your Fidelity account, don't worry. Here's how to resolve it. Step 1. Check transfer status. Log into your Fidelity account and navigate to the transfers section. Look for the status of your pending transfer to confirm it's still active. Step 2. Verify account information. Ensure that the account details you provided for the transfer are correct. Double check the account numbers and routing information. Step 3. Contact customer support. If everything seems correct but the transfer is still pending, reach out to Fidelity's customer support. They can provide specific details about the delay. Step 4. Review transfer limits. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the #com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 5. Wait for processing. Sometimes transfers take longer due to processing times. If you've confirmed everything is correct, give it a little time and check back later. If you follow these steps, you should be able to resolve the pending transfer issue quickly. Don't hesitate to reach out to customer support if you need further assistance. Good luck!